How to replace the refrigerator air filter. LG refrigerators filter air by circulating it through the air filter inside the refrigerator. The air filter needs to be replaced every 6 months. If the replace air filter icon on the control panel flashes, it is time to replace the air filter.
Replace the air filter. Purchase an air filter with model number LT120F or model number ADQ732144404.
Replacement air filters are available through your local dealer or distributor, or by contacting the LG Customer Information Center. To purchase filters online, visit the LG.com website and search using the part number. Before replacing the air filter in your refrigerator, remove any items from the top shelf. Now locate the air filter on the back wall of the refrigerator. The filter cover will be square or rectangular. The replacement process is almost the same for these two types. The filter cover is hooked onto the wall of the refrigerator. To remove the cover, turn it counterclockwise about 30 degrees, following the open arrow. The air filter is located inside the filter cover. To remove the air filter from the cover, press one side of the enclosure outward while pulling on the center of the filter.
Before installing the new filter, locate the side mark with the word front. Install the new filter into the filter cover with the side that says front facing outward. The filter is square, so it will fit the opening even if it's rotated 90 degrees. Now reinstall the filter cover in the refrigerator. The angle is important when fitting the cover back on the mounting. Turn the cover about 30 degrees counterclockwise before placing it on the filter mount. Then rotate the cover clockwise until the hooks engage and it clicks into place. Touch and hold the fresh air filter or pure and fresh button on the control panel for 3 seconds to turn off the flashing icon and reset the air filter. You are finished replacing your air filter. For more information, visit the LG.com website and click on the support menu.